Can I fit all of this in a 2021 Kia Sportage SX? Find out if it'll fit the fam. I'm Mr. Bram. These are my 3 kids. Join us as we journey to find the best SUV to fit the fam. Now when I hear Euro design, I think clean lines, no fuss, and elegant. Now say those 3 words and add Kia and it makes it kind of hard to say. Then you see the new Sportage and you understand the attraction. Now I'm not saying it's going to compete with the likes of Bentley or Mercedes, but the designers did find a really good thing with this softer new look. From the headlights to the randomly low blinker, it's a really nice little SUV. Even though it's considered compact, is it really all that small? When I put in the infant carrier, I was surprised by the height of the door opening. I was expecting to have to swing the seat in to clear the handle of the carrier, but I was able to get it in with no issue. I was also pretty happy about the room I had while sitting in the driver's seat with that carrier directly behind me. Now the leg room back there in the second row is 38.2 inches, which is about ½ an inch more than the RAV4, but unfortunately a little less than the Ford Edge. Now, as you would expect, booster entry was easy because of the taller doors and wide openings. There is a little bit of a step over the threshold, but once over it, she was good to go. Buckling was really easy as Kia has anchored the buckle firmly inside this little pocket so it doesn't like to flop around. Are you flip-flopping on which cars to buy? Let me know down in the comments on what you're shopping for and we can try and add it to our schedule. And also make sure that you like and share our video so others can see what fits their fam. If you're planning on using the center seat like we do, first you have to attach the center buckle by pulling it out from the roof and stretching it down into the specially shaped clip in the center buckle location. Now that that's done, 3 across fits well enough, but I think that's only because the center of the bench is raised a little bit, because hip room is only 51 inches, which allows for the exact 17 inches needed for the Diono seats. Now this is 2 inches wider than the CRV, which you can check out our review right here. Now entry is easy enough and the seats are high, but it shouldn't be an issue for smaller children. My kids really liked that they could nearly see over that front row. Now if you're looking for a car seat or a stroller or maybe just an item that makes traveling with kids easier, make sure you click the link below for the Fit the Fam Amazon store. These are some of our favorite items. Now outside of the low roofline, the Sportage really leaves you with a feeling like it's bigger than compact. That is until you get into the cargo area. Unfortunately, this only has 30 cubic feet, and that's about 9 cubic feet less than a lot of its competition. Now, the stroller does not fit lengthwise, but it does fit between the wheel wells, and I believe you would have no problem fitting about a week's worth of gear in there. Underneath the cargo floor, there is a ton of room as well, which should give you plenty of room for emergency extras. The Sportage is in a very competitive class of CUVs with the CRV, the Escape, and the RAV4. And while it lacks some of the higher end features like the all-digital dash, and it only has a 6-speed transmission, it more than makes up for it with a turbocharged 240 horsepower engine. It's got 2-tone leather air-cooled seats and a large infotainment system that's supported by a Harman Kardon sound, all while still being reasonably priced. This sets the Sportage up to be a fun, clean, and classy SUV.